Hello everyone, welcome to Yas Nurses Park. Today we are going to see about another model from the business model Canva and the topic which is a practically one-page tool which helps startup plan their entire business model. In this video, we will be explaining the all 9 blocks using a real Y Combinator example. Nora, a fall 2025 batch startup that is of transforming operations in the skilled nursing faculties using AI and smart tracking technology. This is especially relevant to for us in the nursing because better equipment management, less time searching for the things, and more time for patient care. Block 1. The block 1 is of customer segment, which is of who are we creating the value for. Nora primarily services the skilled nursing faculties and long-term care homes, administrators and directors of nursing and facilities operation teams, and healthcare systems managing the multiple nursing facilities. These facilities faces the staff shortages and also heavy operational burdens. And of next comes of block 2, value proposition. Value proposition is nothing but this is the core of any business. What the problem we solve and what the benefits do we offer. Nurses and staff often waste the 20 to 30 minutes searching for the equipment, which leads to delay in the care and failed audits and unnecessary returns and yearly we will be facing. Nora provides real-time tracking of all equipment with a prioritized sensors, a live digital map and dashboard showing the location and status. AI-powered preventives and maintaining the alarms and also intelligence purchasing the recommendations. So one-click audit reports for the compliance and up to 75% reduction in the rental cost and over 1,000 staff hours saved annually. Block 3, which is of channels. How do we they reach us and deliver the solution? Direct sales and demos to nursing facility administrators, websites with easy booking for the demos and integrated with the existing facilities management system. Once adopted, the hardware trackers and AI dashboards are installed in the facility. Block 4, customer relationship. How do they maintain ongoing relationship? Personalized onboarding and training for the facility staff and dedicated supports and success managers and regular performance reports and instead for administrators and continue feedback loop to improve the AI and tracking system. They build long-term partnership by providing clear cost savings and operational improvements. Block 5, which we can say that revenue streams. How do the company makes money? Nora usually likes to a hardware subscribe model, which is of monthly or annual fees based on the facility size or the number of tracking assets. Possibly one-time setup fees for trackers and the implementation. This is business model Canva, which is providing the recurring revenue while delivering the ongoing values. Block 6 of key resources. What key assets are the required? The first is we can say that of physical tracking hardware, sensors, and advanced AI for the insight and predictors and automations, and secure cloud platform for the digital twin dashboards and domain expansion in nursing facility operations. Block 7. We can say that key activities. What important activities must they perform? Developing and improving AI algorithms for the equipment management and of manufacturing and deploying physical trackers and nexus of integrating with the facility workflows and providing trainings and data analysis to deliver cost saving insights and audit support. And another comes of block 8. Block 8 is of key partners. Who are they key partners? Are hardware and manufacturers and suppliers and nursing facilities as a pilots and scaling partners and Y Combinator network for mentorship and connections and EHR or the facility management software providers for integrations and healthcare compliance and audits expense. Block 9. Block 9 is nothing but cost structure. What are the major costs? Hardware production and deployment and other AI development and cloud computing, sales, implementation and customer support and research and continuous improvement of the platform and hardware and technological development, or the insight in from investments. This was a complete business model Canva and Canva of Nora, a Y combinated backup startup making nursing facilities more efficient as the nursing students and the future nurses leaders understanding such an innovation shows how technology can reduce the waste, save time, and ultimately help us for the delivering the better care to the residents. Thank you for watching Yasas Spark. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.